to fix, you cannot browse this page because it is restricted. So you might be in the position where you move into any of the site, but you land on this interface where it says that it has been restricted. In order to fix this issue, head over to Settings. Scroll down and then move into Screen Time. Head over to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now move into App Store, Media, Web and Games. Head over to Web Content. Over here you can see that it says Never Allow for Facebook.com. You simply have to delete this website from here. Swipe left and then tap on Delete. Enter the passcode. Once done, you also have to set the web content to Unrestricted. Once you have set it to Unrestricted, you will be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.